Oh, we got like a whole group going now. Little speaker's got some bump.
Actually sounds awesome.
Listen to this thing. Listen. Turn it up. Is that sick or what?
It beats the silence of this place.
Yeah, dude, we needed something for the shop. What are you working on?
I'm working on the M3.
Oh yeah. Hey guys, how you guys doing? Welcome back to the DDE Garage. We're gonna give you a little update on the M3 build because it's fully wrapped. It's got a new red interior, which Dave did himself. He was gonna vlog it, but he said it was beyond frustrating. And
actually,
to vlog it and to put it in would have been too much.
I used a hammer. You'll see.
So what's this thing we got going on? All this?
So this is a fancy wide rear diffuser. It came with no instructions, so I'm trying to figure it out. But it did come with a lot of decals.
It's from where? IKEA?
Yeah. IKEA in Russia.
I like it. Look at this. It's like the IKEA of diffusers. Because you have to put it together yourself.
Yeah. It literally is like IKEA.
Yeah, you got a little wrench and an Allen key.
Yeah.
So why don't we quickly show everybody an overview of the wrap?
Sure.
Because the wrap's done, and then we'll get to the interior. So look at you guys. Look how, like, it's night and day. It's dirty as hell. Thanks for washing it before we did this. It was really cool of you to do that.
I got you guys. Here, give a spot detail right now. Just for you guys on YouTube. You ready for this? Right now they're cringing. They're like, you're scratching it. It's a wrap. But that's the color.
Yeah, dude, it looks good. What do you guys think? So before, what color was this interior?
So this car came with a dove gray interior, and in this car, the headliner, the dash, the door panels, all gray. It wouldn't be as bad if there was some black in there as well, but it was just all gray, so it's all gone.
So this is brand new, guys. Ready for this? All right, dude, it looks good. Like it looks super clean. I like it. Oh, child seat. Hey.
I got kids.
Family guys, family guys.
So new creations in Nanaimo, they re-dyed these seats. These seats are 16 years old.
Yeah. Well, I remember seeing them before. They were not in this good of condition. Wow. So how long did it take to put all this stuff in?
Like 9 hours, because this car, again, it's 16 years old. Every clip is bent or broken, and it's just, yeah, it was a pain.
So hey, by the way, I see that you're repping one of the Daily Driven Exotics tricolor t-shirts.
I am.
We have those in stock, don't we?
Soon. So these shirts will be on the store in about a week. Yeah. What? I'm working on it.
He told me that they were ready. So the shirts are available. They're just not where they need to be for people to buy them.
They're in transit.
They're what?
They're in transit.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Well, at least you got the Brixton Forged hat on. Not selling those, by the way. Just joking. If you want to get a hat, I think they have them on their website. Check out Brixton Forged. They are our 2018 wheel sponsor. They made the blue wheels. We have other wheels in the works for future projects. Stay tuned for that. But in the meantime, you go to our Instagram and check out the insane bronzy gold wheels that they have on a white Lamborghini Urus, the super SUV. It's absolutely nuts. Drop Brixton Forged a follow. They'd appreciate that. So would we. Speaking of wheels, when are your wheels ready?
This week.
These wheels that were supposed to be like, you know, finished in like a week. Dave brought the world's worst wheels these guys have ever seen. Seized bolts, basically multiple coats of paint, painted over the hardware on the wheel. They're a multi-piece wheel. They had to take them all apart and refinish everything. But the face...
80 hours of labor so far on those wheels.
That's insane.
Yeah.
So the faces are painted.
Yeah. The face is bronze, but the barrel, the lip, excuse me, is either going to be black to match the graphs, like a gray black, excuse me, or bronze as well. So the vote was match it as close as you can to
Match to this color.
Yeah. So it's like
All right.
black.
So this is going to be the color of the lip on some level.
Yep. Yep.
So when are we picking them up?
End of week.
That is going to transform
Yeah.
this car even more than it already is, because these are better than the other wheels, but these are still awful.
I borrowed these because the other ones were so bad. I'm like, I can't drive on them anymore.
Loaner wheels.
These are loaner beat up wheels that have like literally sidewall splitting and they're snow tires.
So you're putting this diffuser together?
Yeah, I want to get built, put together, and figure out how to mount it today. Let's do it.
Let's go. I'll crank up the music so we have some music. This thing's insane. The sound system in the Scuderia is so bad, I had to get a Bluetooth portable speaker system. So I got this one, it's pretty rad.
It pounds.
That's all coming from that little speaker. Do it. Didn't know I was right in your face with
How's
the camera.
it going, guys?
Didn't know I was right there, did you?
I like it though. I like you guys.
How's
We're
it going?
friends, you and I.
How's that going?
Good.
No problems.
Yep. The instructions are clear, so it helps.
I thought you said there were no instructions.
The instructions are in my head.
Dude, this is a solid 1,000 horsepower in decals.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
So that's the diffuser.
Let's see. Sick.
So
So now how do you mount it?
I don't know.
Let's see.
So something like that.
Oh, is that how it?
Yep.
I gotcha.
So basically, there's a few existing holes in the actual bumper.
You have to drill.
I have to drill a few, and there's existing I can use.
So why don't we do this? Dave's gonna kind of finish getting this all ready and installed. I mean, you're gonna drill a few holes, bolt it on. That way when I get back, we can show you the finished product. I need to go because a fan who lives here locally, his dad happens to be really good friends with my buddy Tim from Silver Arrow. And so they were chatting and Tim reached out to me and said, hey, maybe you could go and pick him up from school in the Ferrari and surprise him. So his dad and I arranged that for today.
That's cool.
So I'm gonna go right now, surprise this kid at school with the Ferrari. So we're gonna go do that. I'll be back in about an hour.
See you guys later.
And we'll see this done by the end of this video. That was fun. Today is our traditional, typical British Columbia wet, rainy day with clouds. Unfortunately, we don't have a sunny day to go and pick up this young man, but make the best of it. We're pretty used to it here on the West Coast. So I gotta drive about 20 minutes into town and we'll arrive at his school. What up, dude?
No, what happened?
You watch the channel.
Yeah, I watch you. You're my favorite guy on YouTube.
Your dad set this up with me.
I know, he told me that. I was like, no, Dad, you gotta be joking me. And then like, you show. Oh my God, I'm speechless.
So you want to go for a ride?
No way.
I'm gonna take you to your house. We'll go for a little rip.
Serious?
First. Yeah.
Okay, where should I put my bag?
Yeah, jump in. It's wet, it's raining out. Get in here.
Whoa. Whoa.
Your friends like cars?
Oh yeah, they love cars.
Is this mom right here? Hey, how's it going?
Thanks. What a 13th birthday present for this buddy.
I know.
Sweet.
You're 13?
Almost next week.
Well, you got 3 years before you get a license. How scary is
that?
Oh, we got like a whole group going now.
Hello.
What's up? All right, Cole. to find traction, bro. It's so wet out. Oh, here, sorry, radar detector. So let's just chat about, again, favorite car. What's your favorite car?
Lamborghini Performante.
Really?
Yeah.
Out of anything, like over a Koenigsegg Pagani, that's the car you'd want. It's a great car. The nice thing about that car is that car is really reliable. It's got a lot of power, it's quick, its styling is gorgeous. You've seen one in person?
I have Vancouver.
Yeah, Vancouver, yeah. Do you go to the dealership?
Yeah.
My friends over at the Wysack Lamborghini, that's where I bought my Lambo from.
Yeah.
Yeah. When do you plan on getting that car? That's your goal, right?
That is my goal, yes. That's a good question.
16th birthday?
16th birthday, ideal. Probably not.
Start a website, become a .com guy?
Yeah. Eventually I would like to run a YouTube channel just like yours.
Yeah?
That'd
Oh,
be
really?
fun. Yeah.
You could do it, easy.
Is it hard?
Aspiring YouTuber, is it hard? It's very hard, to be honest. So it's super wet out. I have some summer tires on that aren't in the best condition, but what do you think of that?
Oh, that's fast.
It's not bad, hey?
Yeah.
It's a great little car, this thing. I mean, Ferrari know how to build cars.
It looks totally different in person than on camera.
Right?
Yeah.
It looks crazier.
Oh, I know.
And wait until I'll bring the Huracan back and I'll come and meet you again and we'll do a Huracan drive. What do you think?
Oh,
Would that be cool?
I'm down.
So that car is really fast. In fact, I love the Performante, not knocking it, but my car with the supercharger on it would absolutely destroy a Performante. It has got 800 horsepower, rear wheel drive. It's the most fun I've ever had in any car. People ask me all the time, what's my favorite car? My Huracan is currently my favorite car out of any car I've ever had. Ready?
Yeah.
It is pretty quick. If we had some dry pavement and a better place to rip, we could get this thing. Maybe if we get a chance, we can work something out where we'll talk Tim into taking us to the track. Because the track up Island, he has a membership to, Tim. And if we had permission to go on the track, we could put on some helmets and we could go over the speed limit, because right now I have to keep it within the law. Being good. Also, I have precious cargo with me. I always don't take it for granted when people trust me with, you know, their kid in the car. It's got to be the most valuable thing to any parent is their children. So did you have any idea I was coming today?
I had no clue. My dad was like, someone's gonna pick you up at school besides me, and then I walk out the door and here's a Ferrari sitting there. I'm like, oh my
So
God.
no hint, your sister was freaking out. She just knew how excited you're gonna be.
My sister was probably in on it.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
Cool. Let's jump out. Yeah, you can hear this thing coming from a mile away.
Want to sit in? Have you ever sat in a Ferrari?
They're not that comfortable, these seats. They're like race seats. Got the metal floors. This is exactly how it
all wet.
This is exactly how it came from Ferrari. This car was my first Ferrari. So this car has been on rallies, different events, all over the US. I let my business partner and good friend Oliver, he drove this, and I took the Huracan for our snowball rally. So this car has been all through winter, snow tires, been to Aspen, been to Park City, Utah.
Wow.
It's been all over this thing. You like it?
Oh my God, it's awesome.
So cool. One
Yeah.
day, cool. One day.
That's what I was saying. I was like, what's your favorite car? And he was like, the Lamborghini. So
Yeah. Okay.
he's got 3 years. He could get a job, build a .com,
He's got to be the principal owner.
you know?
Mom and Dad can't buy it for him.
That's the trick. You,
That's the
you
trick.
buy it and then they can't drive it and steal your car. What do you got?
Yeah,
Should I open this later on or off camera?
Your choice, your choice.
All right. Well, hey, it was a pleasure
Yeah,
meeting
thank
you,
you.
dude. Thanks for watching the channel. And I'll open this a little later. Oh, it might be in my camera. That happens all the time, impromptu. And thanks to Mom setting it all
hey.
up. Nice to meet you.
You too.
Yeah.
And I'll get to meet your dad
thank you.
sometime.
Yeah.
All right?
Thank you so much,
Thank
David.
you.
My pleasure.
Thank you.
Guys, back to the DDHQ. Hey! And like that, we're back with Dave.
Thanks, bro.
And he's got the diffuser on. Hey, by the way, check this out.
What is this?
It's a drawing.
Well, that's dope. Look at that.
Isn't that unreal?
Wow.
Yeah.
Who gave this to you?
Cole, who I just took for a ride.
Oh, that's awesome.
Isn't that unreal? He even put on the canards. He's got the new wing on there.
Yeah.
Okay, show me your diffuser, dude. Did you drill right through the into the subframe?
Right into the gas station.
Right into the gas station, into the gas tank.
Across the street.
Oh wow! You have a diffuser. Oh, that is something else. I like it.
Because right now, literally, it's all stock essentially, except this massive diffuser.
We gotta get a good look at this.
It almost looks like a tow hitch right now.
Wow, I'm not really sure what to think of this. It's aggressive. You need something for the front. Do they have a front thing? Do they have a front splitter?
I have a plan.
What's the plan?
A front lip with a front splitter.
Where is it?
Whoever's watching this, if you make them, give me a call.
So you have no, you want that, but you have no plan yet.
No. And all that with no instructions, you guys. So if you need to do this on your own. So yeah, so here's what I'm thinking. The wheels will get done. We'll lower it again because right now, obviously, it's factory ride height, and it would look better if it's a bit lower to the ground. It's metal, so it'll spark.
You think so?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And then we'll do a front lip and a front splitter. And then, I don't know, spoiler, you guys? What do you think? Should we do a spoiler on this car? Like a stupid chassis mounted wing, like comes up to like here?
Oh man. You need some new headlights.
Yeah, I can use some new headlights.
These headlights are, that's popping out again, isn't it?
That's got a zap strap on it right now.
It's zap strapped in?
Yeah.
Trying to emulate the Huracan.
If you're a headlight company, just joking.
Yeah. Plugs all day.
Give me free stuff.
Well, it looks a lot better than it did. Okay, guys, smash that subscribe button. Throw us the thumbs. Why am I stuttering?
Today, Junior.
Right? Pick up some merch. Go to shopdd.com and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.